Tired of juggling multiple chargers and tangled cords on your desk? Imagine turning a single wall outlet into a powerful charging hub that keeps your workspace clean and organized. This power strip with USB-C ports delivers exactly that, transforming one standard outlet into two AC outlets plus two high-speed USB-C charging ports, perfect for your MacBook Pro, iPhone, and other devices. I've been using this compact power strip for a while now, and it's made a real difference. The USB-C power delivery offers up to 50 W on one port, so my laptop charges fast without hogging the entire power supply. It's small enough to mount right over the existing outlet, clearing up precious desk space while powering everything from my monitor to my printer. Plus, it's built tough with damage-resistant housing, designed for the demands of a busy workstation. What sets this power strip apart is the safety it offers. It protects your expensive electronics from overloads, short circuits, power spikes, and even lightning strikes. That peace of mind matters when you're charging multiple devices at once. Backed by a 2-year product warranty and a $2,500 connected equipment warranty, it's a reliable choice that won't let you down. Both USB-C ports can deliver up to 68 W combined, thanks to advanced gallium nitride (GaN) technology, meaning faster, safer charging without the bulk. If you're looking to declutter your desk and power your devices efficiently, this power strip is worth a look. It's the perfect companion for professionals and travelers who need reliable, high-speed charging in a compact design. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your workspace and enjoy a clean, convenient charging station that keeps all your essential gear powered up.